Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your location. Now, evening we dey for this side, day don almost the dark, don dark. So, guys, I say may I just stay through my take on this boy they call Egungun, the way they sort Curtis Ugbo. So, I see this video where they try to Curtis Ugbo dey inside motor with the drive. My God, this life, anything wey you do, they wait you for front. Anything wey you do, they wait you for front. And let me say to support Egungun where they sort Curtis Ugbo. Curtis Ugbo itself, no be that one. I just person wey grow will be say man, it gets more picking sense. And this man they sort Obaseki, they sort Obaseki anyhow back to back, like say him to Obaseki na age mate. You see, we Benin's, and God will save us. And we dey care ourselves. All those people where they complain now, those you see them whether they complain, and so now those people join this INEC governor fight Obaseki. They criticize Obaseki like saying tomorrow not there. You say Benin DG. Now they complain and say many of them not they get position now. That is life for you, man. See I go. They say na Calabar guy, I don't know where for come. Now, see now, don't hold ground. For Benin itself. We the EDG. We just did with the quackers. Do Agmoilo Wagbe Kabo. Oh, Shomule just know una finish. Shomule Ogele Gbawaya fair. He say many people they be foul. Just through corn. They will pick. That's what I be. Now, that evil way everybody talk about since then, that they beat everybody small. It go reach your hand. If you do good, do for yourself. If you do bad, not for yourself. Now, see the way our Benicians, they useless our Benin, see the way all of them come be like, say, they just become beggars. They beg for position. See useless life where they come to live. And those are the same people fought against Obaseki. Their own Benin man. Let us forget about tribal sentiment or maybe religion or whatsoever. But what is good is good. You can't compare Obaseki with this guy. You cannot. And these kind of people see, and they come and say, hey, this one, see waiting, this one, see Obaseki, this one, Obaseki. What Obaseki have done for the past 8 years to compare with this guy, even the ability to speak self. Person will go home, waiting. The type say make in they are aware of the issue, just to read them out. And most of us go they clap. Now be the problem where they get to. Most of the Benin people, we not go they clap for things we be say not good. We not go they support things we be say not good. But when I know say all those things, now everybody go affect. If this thing better, it go better for everybody. Now go they support bad things, and those bad things then they come against you now. Say the life we want to live now. Say the life we want to live. Tell me any reasonable man with their position for this INEC governor place. No. How many? Benin no Zedo. But if now una go use our mouth kill yourself. But all about Zegbuwa. Curtis Ugbo, I not be guys. I look them. I don't know the way they look them because it's not they responsible. Not be at this age, really Benin man, get the way they behave. But he put himself low. See what he go. Say go they talk to her anyhow. Say go they talk to her anyhow. He just this time they like this. They laugh. They before I come make the second video, the video will come test. They tell go say person of interest. They threaten you. You they say you be this one. Now so now go about Obaseki government house. Now so now they. Now so they be. Una tie bo una ro we no say we. You can carry me dey. No do ya boni kwa. Also now nemesis. Now what you use your hand cause now they meet you so because no be better people. Why do you do why magbo? Why me no name ma why support eh? Why me no ma why tell because of what making on me right? Food. Oh you were here, oh you were selling best strategy where here. Oh you were on your problem were man, you was selling best strategy work for them because of food. Now check those South leaders. Even the one with they say APC, where they know say man, things know they go where. They can't talk. They can't talk. Because if I talk, I don't go see food chop. That is the problem. That is why we are in that mess. Check our state as a B. Edo is shining. Who's shining? Who told us they shine? What those rough? See, we're not the sea road. See everywhere rough. Everywhere nyama nyama. Everywhere. That is no place where be say you feel see for just to say man you go shake it. All those things were built. This man destroy everything. Shop right now they say don't close. Many institutions like that still will be say for the bring fund. They fund the state. Man they block everything. Now nobody they feel the talk. I'm not the same. I feel the talk. I pity go suffer, eh? Now go suffer. Youth, make one to speak up. No, they support bad thing. Forget about sentiment. Whether you don't like the person or you like him or those. Forget. Even this guy what they call this guy what they say they arrest that day. This social media president. What did they call him with the Jamie? This vice deputy governor brother. I don't be the guy fans. I don't feel like because the way the guy they talk. I don't just all those their level. The way they call so they know me. I not just they are not their level mate because they not be you understand. But the guy talks. It still talks something will make sense. He come out. He say, see, this did not work like this. This did not work like this. Did not work like. See, Rose. Good. Now your brother be deputy governor, but forget about say maybe anything will transparent, or anything will there between them. But he speak that few period. He talk. Things not they go fine. More than they talk. Forget saying that your papa or your mama in their position. If he good for everybody. That state is made for everybody, not for just only one person. Make they speak up, man. See this state, this country we use. This is not about our country, but we live like say in our country. Again, what happen for this state where I did so? Rain, fall. All those weather, they control weather. They tell the governor say tomorrow rain will go fall, it go destroy many so when they put measures down. So the governor, if I don't know what he put or I go other place, go for dinner or something like that. As all those people just predict now, so everything just water that is tumble everywhere. People lose their businesses. People die. Almost 120, more than 220, I think so. Man, everywhere is scatter. Now this governor now, he go dinner. And I tell him, say tomorrow. You know what happened to the governor now? He they run a task. What citizens? Youth. It's not to be saying I be APC, I be PDP. They're not saying you. Europe, youth. They're not Oyibo. They're not get waiting. If you do bad, they are coming for you. Just forget your tenor. That's your if you know that if you not come up before your destiny, because they go protest for your head. Oh man, see youth, not people we're gonna take side. This one for the Yoruba, this one Igbo, this one Benin, this one we're gonna take side. Instead of both join hands together, make force so that make our life better. Now our life, their children in Europe, they America they study, and time to come. All those children want constantly rule now. Not children. You constantly rule yourself if you never die. They change everything for the governor. They run a task that they beg. They say make come out. They don't want you want to make it just they go. King of Spain come. The stoner. Pour dirty water for your body, wife. Prime Minister, President of Spain, he come. That man, na security save the man. The pursue one. Na security na help the man. They just chase him. But if now we take side, Omo Yoruba, Omo Igbo, we take side. Who dey suffer now? Now we. So make we dey do things well. Now we go suffer. Me, I know did there now. I feel decide I know they come that place again. So people with they are advocate like about Obasa, they just say, waiting, you get anything for them again. How should they go destroy? You just if you want plan the future for you and now, not if you plan the future for you now. No. On this side there, see those states, see road, see trailer they fall apart down, see everywhere rough. Then you go still see youth go still say the clap for APC. That's left. And secondly, before I go, the people who dey Europe here will still support batting for that side. I'm not sure say go everything. I'm not sure say things go well for now. I'm not sure say something go better for now for life. Because you are living here comfortable, and people they die for that side, kidnapping. Many things they happen for there. People they die, and then you just support background. Because say you be a tribe or you be anything or you now God will punish you. Now what you go see for body then go pass. So guys, this is my take. I just now Bini Yade. All those people they go now from different people, different tribe, now go they punish you now. See this is the guy they call Cassie now will be this is guy Cassie. See the way they talk to Doekeme the other day. I said I'm go demolish you there. See you know. Or they want me work again. Waria, waru wewa, osu waji. Agwa wa ho. Bye bye.